And that's just regarding University Place.
Yeah, so we currently rent out this courtroom. It's very new. I think as early as 2022 they started doing this.
Okay.
We have not been out lately.
Horse are also involved from that helping more over here.
No, they do not have this contract.
I have somebody
They
coming tomorrow.
still have the
I think
Lakewood
he was coming
and
tomorrow. So, yeah, to do stuff on the
what's
property.
the other? They still look at yeah.
There's a lot of stuff that needs to be done, but.
Is this your case number? This is you, city. We'll continue further investigation, negotiation. Come back 12/19 and 15.
It's just for investigation, negotiation. We're not doing any more investigation or anything.
Well, we are and we aren't, but we're threading the tightrope, lack of a better expression, like we discussed in detail.
Gotcha.
It's primarily negotiation. I can also produce a bunch of mitigation.
Oh, okay.
Things that lessen everything to get us in a better situation, like all your treatment. Lessening factors that will make the city more open to full results.
Gotcha. Yeah, she's only going to do Thomas and assault for us, so it's the same thing, right?
Well, we may be able to get it diverted so it just gets dismissed. And I don't want anything getting added on top of it. That's not.
Oh, yeah, the only thing.
Right? So all you're doing is allowing the court to have more time for your case to proceed. Okay? You're not giving up any other right to actually have a trial or anything. You're just allowing it to take longer.
Yeah, my speedy trial, or my speedy waiver.
Okay? And then the conditions is set on October 6, 22 all remain in place. Okay? So you gotta keep following those. Okay, if I sign on your behalf.
Yeah. Okay. So I'll get copies of it.
You will. I can ask for that.
Should have around. So is this a court that has streaming?
Not currently, no. They did have streaming in the past. They currently do not live stream anything. And that's because the courtroom is open.
I don't know.
So the Constitution requires that courtrooms be open in public. There's a very clear case on that. And so during the pandemic, because they were closed and people couldn't commingle, etc., they did a lot of virtual streaming so that there could be public viewing and the court could be quote-unquote open. But it's actually kind of a pain for the clerks to do both.
I can imagine.
So, because people are allowed in the building, not being streamed to the
Oh, no, I was excited about that.
Well, sorry. We're almost ready, but we'll be out of here soon.
Thank you for your time, ladies.
We'll both be out of here about 12:02.
The clerk called me and then they did have the audio and the transcripts from the last interview.
So they don't transcribe that for you for free. You would have to go get it transcribed by yourself.
There would be a place that would transcribe it.
People who do that, they're usually connected to the court. You can Google transcription services, etc.
That's what should be accredited with the court.
They generally charge you per page. In my previous experience. Okay.
Can you tell us stuff behind me?
Keep a lot of juice to make this go in the right way, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Alright. Okay, I sent you both now.
Thank you, ladies.
Just hang out. We'll get a judge back very soon. Judge is gonna make sure you understand you're resetting your time for trial, that otherwise all your rules are the same. And when you're coming back, they'll print you a copy, and then we'll just keep working.
Gotcha. Thanks, sir.
Same thing. Just to make sure you understand the speedy trial, right? Alright? No, I'm sorry. It just should remain.
It's okay to put that on there.
Yes. It's a good catch.
I'm just signing another one.
So just your copy.
Matter is Timothy Herbert. This is 2AC 100098. Mr. Herbert present here out of custody of Mr. Graham's attorney of record. This is a pre-trial, and Your Honor, it's an agreed set over also to December 19th, and the document should be there electronically for you.
Thank you. Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Stephen Gray, Department of Science Counsel, to have Mr. Herbert. He's present to my left, out of custody here in court. That is all correct. Continuing to make some progress on this case. Mr. Herbert's come back before the court after he had a little bit of an FTA that we managed to get a re-summons on. And we're apologetic for that, but he's back in touch with me. He's back in front of the court, and we are making some progress. Just ask for a little more time to try and resolve this matter. So we targeted December 19th with a waiver through March 19th of 2023. To go over the waiver, Mr. Herbert, he understood that he's simply adjusting the time for trial. He's not giving up any of his other rights, and I believe he's okay with that. Thank you.
All right, good afternoon, Mr. Herbert.
Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Could you go ahead and state your full name for the record, please?
Yes, sir, it's going to be Timothy James Herbert.
All right. Mr. Herbert, do you still reside at the address on 51st Avenue, Port West in University Place?
Yes, sir, 5129.
All right, sir, we're here today for a pretrial conference on the criminal charge of assault fourth degree. Your attorney indicates that he needs a little more time to continue assisting you with negotiations or preparing a defense for you. He's asked that we reset this for a new pretrial conference. Proposed new hearing date is December 19th. The city prosecutor doesn't oppose your request to reschedule this, just have asked that you execute a speedy trial waiver. Your attorney, Mr. Grant, indicates that he reviewed with you your speedy trial rights and advised you that by signing the document that's now before me, you are agreeing to waive your speedy trial rights. Do you recall him explaining that to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, just in summary, you have the right to be brought to trial within 90 days of your first appearance. You're setting what's called a new commencement date. That means that 90-day clock doesn't even start running again until you appear next December 19th. So that's the start of the 90-day clock. So the city would have until March of the following year to bring this to resolution. Is that okay with you?
Yes, sir.
Very well. I'll accept the waiver of speedy trial. I will sign this order resetting this matter for a pretrial conference on December 19th here in this courtroom. Speedy trial waiver included in this order. A reminder that the conditions imposed upon you at the time of your first appearance remain in place. And so whatever the conditions imposed, this is one of those that truncates it to 2020. Sorry, we have few forms and some of them don't. So I've signed this stipulation order of continuing the hearing and waiver speedy trial. So that will be seen.
If I may, I'd like to apologize for missing out on the last court appearance, and I'm not trying to waste you guys' time, so I sincerely appreciate you. I'm sorry that I am here before you guys again, so,
That's good. That's good. Good job.
Thank you, Mr. Weaver. Make sure you come to all the other court hearings.
yes, sir, I will be here.
Okay, you're ready to go. There's your copy. All right, we'll be in touch. Thank you. I think that concludes the calendar, at least for DAC.
I have a couple